Hi everyone, welcome to Personal Finance Circle. In this video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide on how you can deposit your money from your bank account to your Trove investment account, and also how you can withdraw your money from your Trove investment account directly to your bank account easily. Now, in case you don't know, we already have a video on how to invest on the Trove investment app and how you can use every feature on the app. So if you are here to see that video, the link will be in the description of this video below, so you can check it out after watching this video. Now to how you can deposit money on the Trove investment app. Now the first thing you need to do is to log into your investment account on Trove, and once you've done that, you come to the left side of the screen right here and tap on balances right here. So once you tap on balances, it will show you your different wallets on the app. It will show you your vault balance, your NG portfolio cash, and your US portfolio cash. And if you are using your mobile phone, just tap on the menu icon at the top left corner of the screen and tap on balances right here. Once you tap on balances, it will also show you your different wallets, your vault cash wallet, NG portfolio cash wallet, and your US portfolio cash wallet. Now, one thing you need to know is that your vault wallet right here is just like a neutral wallet in your account. So the money here cannot be used to invest. If you have money in your vault balance, you have to transfer it to your NG portfolio cash wallet or your US portfolio cash wallet before you can use it to invest. And also the money in your vault balance, you can also transfer it to your Trove dollar card to make international payments. If you want to know more about that, watch the video on how to use the Trove investment app. You know more about that. The link is in the description of this video. And that is for the vault balance. The money in your NG portfolio cash wallet is used to invest in Nigerian stocks. So if you want to invest in Nigerian stocks, you deposit money into your NG portfolio cash wallet. And while the US portfolio cash wallet right here, the money there is used to invest in foreign stocks. So if you want to invest in any foreign stocks, you deposit money into your US portfolio cash wallet. So now, how do you deposit money into these three different wallets? Let me start with the vault balance. Now, if you scroll down right here, you see different options. You can fund Naira, which means you can add funds directly to your Trove vault in Naira. So this means that you can transfer money from your Nigerian bank account to your vault wallet. And also the second option is fund US dollars. Add funds directly to your Trove vault in dollars. So if you have a dollar bank account, you can deposit money into your vault wallet with this option. And also if you want to send money to your family and friends on Trove, this is another option right here. If you want to move your funds or convert your funds to other wallet, this is the option right here. And also the withdraw option here is if you want to withdraw your money to your bank account. So for those of you that have a Nigerian bank account and you want to deposit money, just tap on this option right here and you'll be seeing the different payment method to deposit money into your Trove vault. You can deposit through a Naira debit card. You can deposit through bank transfer. You can use your Barter account if you have one, and you can use Pega if you have a Pega account. So let's, for example, you want to use bank transfer. So you just tap on the bank transfer option right here and tap on continue. Now, once you tap on continue, you'll be asked to enter the amount you want to deposit. So let's say, for example, you want to deposit 50,000 Naira. Just enter 50,000 Naira right here. And also you tap on continue. And then right here, it will show you the summary of your transaction. So the amount you are depositing is 50,000 Naira. Your payment processor fee is 250 Naira. And then the exchange rate is $1 equal to 675 Naira. And then the amount in dollars is $74. And then the total amount of money you have to deposit is 50,250 Naira. And then once you've seen all of this, you tap on yes deposit right here. And then right here, you'll be given the account details to transfer the money to. So the amount you have to transfer is 50,250 Naira. This is the account number right here. The bank name, this is the bank name right here. And the beneficiary name, this is it right here. So once you transfer the money to this account, you come here and tap on I have made this bank transfer. And then in less than 2 to 5 minutes, the money will be reflecting in your vault balance. So that is the simple way to deposit money into your vault balance. So now let's say, for example, you want to deposit money to your NG portfolio cash wallet. Don't forget, the money in your NG portfolio cash wallet is used to invest in Nigerian stocks. So if you want to do that, you just come here and tap on fund Naira. So once you tap on fund Naira, you select the option you want to use again. So let's say you want to use bank transfer, you tap on bank transfer and tap on continue. And right here, you enter the amount you want to deposit. So let's say you want to deposit 30,000 naira right here. And then you come here and enter continue. And right here, you see the amount you want to deposit, which is 30,000 naira, and then the processor fee, which is also 250 naira. And then you tap on yes deposit. And just like the previous one, it will give you some bank details where you are going to send the money to. So once you've sent the money to the bank details right here, you come here and tap on I have made this bank transfer, and then the money will be reflecting in your NG portfolio cash wallet. Now for the US portfolio cash wallet, don't forget the money right here is for investing in foreign stocks. So let's say for example you want to invest in foreign stocks and then you don't have a dollar account, or maybe you don't have dollars anywhere, but you still want to invest in foreign stocks. You can also deposit your money from a Nigerian bank account. You can deposit naira into your US portfolio wallet. Now it's just the same process. You just come here and tap on fund naira. But if you have a dollar account, you tap on fund US dollar. So let's say you don't have a dollar account, just tap on fund naira right here. And then you tap on the payment method you want to use right here. So let's use bank transfer again. So you tap on bank transfer and tap on continue. And right here, you enter the amount you want to deposit. So let's say you want to deposit 30,000 naira. And right here, you'll be asked to turn on the option for instant deposit. Now, you can see instant deposit is only available weekdays between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. West African time. So what this means is that if you are making your deposit during weekdays between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m., then you should turn on this option. So I'm going to turn on this option, and then you come down here and tap on continue. And then once you tap on continue, to show you the summary of your transaction. So you can see the exchange rate is $1 equals to 675 naira. And then the amount in dollars will be $44. So remember, you are depositing 30,000 naira, but your amount in USD will be $44. So you can see the total amount of money you'll be transferring will be 30,925 naira. And then you come down here and tap on yes deposit. And then the next thing is to transfer the money to the account details shown right here. And once you've done that, you tap on I have made this bank transfer. So this is the simple way you can deposit money into your Trove wallet, whether your vault balance or your NG portfolio cash wallet or your US portfolio cash wallet. Now, how can you withdraw your money from Trove to your bank account? Now, the first thing you need to do is that you must link your bank account with your Trove investment account. Now, to do that, you come to the left side of the screen and tap on settings right here. So once you tap on settings, you scroll down to where you have bank account. And then right here, you can link a Naira bank account right here and a domiciliary account right here. So if you have a Naira account, you can put it right here. And if you have a domiciliary account, you can put it right here. So once you've done that, you've linked your bank account with your Trove investment account. So let me go back to the balances. So let's say, for example, you want to withdraw your money from any of these three wallets to your bank account. Let me use the vault balance, for example. You just tap on your vault balance and scroll down to where you have withdraw right here at the bottom side. Once you tap on withdraw, it will ask you for which bank account you want to withdraw your money to, whether your Naira bank account or your domiciliary bank account. So if you want to withdraw to your Naira bank account, you tap on Naira and tap on continue. Now, you also need to note that you can withdraw your dollars to your Naira bank account. You don't have to withdraw dollars to your domiciliary account. So if you don't have a domiciliary account, you can still withdraw your dollars to your Naira bank account. And then right here to show you the amount you have left in your vault balance. And then right here to show you the details of the bank. And then right here, you enter the amount you want to withdraw. And then once you enter the amount you want to withdraw, you tap on continue right here. And then the money will be transferred to your bank account immediately. So that is the simple way to deposit money and withdraw your money on the Trove investment app. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you know whenever I will drop new videos. And don't forget to check out our video on how to invest on the Trove app and how to use all the features on the app. The link to that video will be in the description below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.